Hey boss, we've been working on this SD3 model for quite some time now. We got the 2B, the 4B, and the 8B all working with 16 channel VE. I think the 2B might need more work. It works well with consumer GPUs and can do some cool portraits and environments, but we really need to fix human anatomy. Great news, great news! Sounds like it's ready to be shipped then. People have been waiting long enough for Stable Diffusion 3. They're not gonna care if they can do people with it. Can it do cute cats and dogs? Well, yes, but are you sure that... Okay, great! Everything's gonna be fine. Everyone's gonna do cats in hats, so we'll be fine then. Fine, everything's gonna be fine. But human anatomy is really broken. I mean, you can sometimes force it with long, weird prompts, but it's not really intuitive at all. Oh, that sounds like that's a them problem. Tell them it's a skill issue and be done with it. If anyone complains in Discord or Reddit, you can just tell them they need to learn the tools and stop whining. I'll get some of the other employees to do that. Yeah, just tell them to, I'll just tell them to shut up on Discord. Well, I really don't think that's a wise move. Can we keep working on it some more? Oh, we're basically bleeding money. We need to start earning, and this 2B model will fix that. People will throw money at us. You'll see. It's like that meme, throwing money at something. I think it's from The Simpsons. I don't know. Hey, while I got you here, I need you to change the license. What do you mean? We got a license. It's the same for most models so far. Yeah, that's no good. Can we change it so it's really vague and hard to understand? Like super vague. Like, Let's make it so I don't understand anything. Can we do that? I guess. I'm not sure what direction to take yet, so let's not lock ourselves into anything. Put some vague words in there to confuse people, and when they ask, we can just ignore it. Why do we want to ignore it? What do you mean? Don't you think people are gonna want answers to any questions that might arise? Why would they have questions? But you just said when they ask, we can just ignore it. Oh, you're right. Yes. Okay, I see what you do. Ignore, you say. Okay, yes. Good suggestion. Let's do it like that. I'll tell the others it was your idea. Great. Keep at it. You'll do great things at this company. But now that 4B model, is it any good? I think so, yes. Okay, scrap it. What? Oh, no, scrap it. We got the 2B. All you need is 2B. I really think we should keep working on it, just in case the 2B is not received well. I mean, it's not really finished. Oh, I think it is. I saw the cats. Pretty cats. Just ship it. Kill 4B. Hey boss, I just talked to the 2B team and they're not happy and left. Well, it's finished, so it makes no difference. But it wasn't really finished. We just told people that. Well, if we tell people it's finished, it's finished. If it doesn't work, the community can fine-tune it. Problem solved. Not our problem anymore. Community. Open source. Fine-tune. They can do it. No problem. Boss, now Comfy and McMonkey left too. They were kind of a big deal in the community with their user interfaces. Comfy UI and Swarm. Good man. I like them. But I also like money. And that should help our bottom line once people start paying for Stable Diffusion 3. I'm not sure people will pay for it. There's a limited amount of people who want to do cats in hats. Well, what else would they want to do? Well, what? Bonus? No. Well, yes. No. Never mind. Hey, did you ship 2B yet? I told you to ship it. Okay, I'll go ship it. Oh, don't worry so much. Everything's gonna be fine. Fine. You'll see, trust me. It's gonna be fine. Ship it. Ship it. That's a great cat in a hat. I love this. Cats in hats are the best.